Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing Wilco Sweetcorn Swift F1. So March to May, August, September. So first of all, you need to get your total tube. Just turn this a little bit. Gotcha. We're going to be sowing these in toilet roll tubes. First of all, you want to get your compost. Get your toilet roll tube like so. Get your compost. Fill a couple inches in the bottom. Give it a good tap down like so. And then you end up with a nice flat bottom, and that's going to keep your compost in there without using any paper or anything. This is a peat based compost. It's also got lots of wood fibre in it. It's also got a little bit of feed in it. So these want to be at least, it says here, covered with 1.5 inch of compost. So tap them down like that. Just one more to do. Show you how I do it. Easy enough. Just fill your toilet roll tube, a few inches of compost, give it a good tap down, and fill it up to the top, like so. Once that's done, there we go. Right, let's have a look at this seed now, shall we? Let's get rid of this. Let's have a look at these. Get round here. Right, get these bad boys open. Yeah, looking forward to these. You can't beat growing your own food. And the allotment. Yeah, so happy with my allotment. There we go. So all I need to do now is one in each one, all the way along. Right, nearly there now. One more to do. There we go. All we need to do then is just simply fill right to the top, like so. Make sure they're all covered. Like so. You see, by doing it in these toilet roll tubes, we're not using any plastic, and we're also making sure we can plant them out without extending the roots. All I need to do is, once you've covered them, give them a really good water. If any need more topping up after you've watered them, you can do that. But yeah, when you plant these out, you need to plant them in a grid, like a foot apart, because then you've got a better chance of pollinating each other. So that's what it says here. So thinly, growing on removed cover outdoors, so 1 to 2 seeds together, 40 to 60 inches between groups, in a prepared seed bed in growing position, blah blah blah. But yeah, that's Wilco Sweetcorn Swift F1, how to sow, how to grow on. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody, thank you, bye.